morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear it from Greg in our trading room.
The euro dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold dropped 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Prime Minister Liz Truss's government is planning a new approach to convince Japan's SoftBank Group Corp to list Cambridge chip designer ARM on the London Stock Exchange. SoftBank would prefer to list ARM in New York, where tech firm valuations tend to be much higher. The dollar remained strong around a two-decade high versus major peers, as investors held firm in expectation of another aggressive rate hike by the Federal Reserve to rein in inflation. Treasury yield hit its highest in over a decade, and the dollar strengthened as the message the Federal Reserve means business tackling inflation kept investors on edge before an expected hefty interest rate hike this week.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US Fed interest rate decision will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The Dutch consumer spending volume at 0430 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 0930 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence ADJ will be released at 0430 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT. The US FOMC press conference at 1830 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.